Hey guys, back again with another unboxing video. I just went to Target to get new Spin Masters and Hot Wheels monster trucks. So I have one in my hand right here. It is called Hissy Fit, which is right here. As you guys can see, I finally got this. It'll be debuting in a video tomorrow for my first ever show for it. And so, without further ado, let me get this unboxed. And it comes with a recrushable car under there. And I found all of this for the monster trucks that I have got were from Target. I was not expecting them to have monster trucks because I haven't had monster trucks there in a really long time. It's been forever since they have had them. It took them so long to get monster truck sold back in. Here is Hissy Fit. Basically, this truck is based off of a cobra snake. The name is Hissy Fit. The truck type's an SUV. Its strength is a cobra hood, which you actually might know, because I'm gonna show this right here. If you can see that, that's a cobra on the hood. And crash tech is Venom Strike, and motivation is to inject them with poison. Moving on to the next truck, which is my Bounty Hunter. My favorite truck out of case A for Spin Master Monster Jam. As you can see, it comes with a figure right there and a giant thing right there, a giant pit party thing. Let's get this thing unboxed. Here's the little figure of Jimmy Creedon, and here's the truck. This is what the truck is looking like. There's only one missing thing. There was a guy named Chris Collin who had that logo on it, and as you can see right there, if you can read that, it says Texas Truck Works. Is what it says right there. Moving on to the next truck. It is Necessary Roughness. This is part of Monster Myths. Hissy Fit was part of Animal Creature thing, whatever. And here's the back of Necessary Roughness. His name's Necessary Roughness. The truck type's a pickup. Strength is an extra long neck. Crash attack is sink or swim. Motivation is to scare every truck around. And that's what Necessary Roughness looks like. Let's get this out of the box. Here is what it actually looks like. It'll make its debut in the same event as them. It looks like it's kind of an octopus. And there's teal rims and the teal wheels inside, and yellow rims. And next one is Wonder Woman. I finally got a Wonder Woman. I've been waiting to get one. And Wonder Woman, it comes with a gold figure. I just noticed that. So let's get this out of the box. And as you can see, it looks really good. I think it looks really good. I have the whole case A for Spin Master now. So let's say this is either Lindsay Reed or Haley Golly. I think it's Haley Golly. She'll be driving Wonder Woman this year for 2019 season. Whenever Wonder Woman comes around, Wonder Woman hasn't came around yet for its time to drive yet. So that's gonna wrap up Wonder Woman. Now, moving on to the final truck. It is the Podium Crusher. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you saw the other Podium Crusher on its debut. And this is what it says on the back. The name is Podium Crusher. The truck type's a pickup. The strength is unbeatable engine. The crash attack is trophy dash crash, and motivation is to stay undefeated forever. So it is like one of the only pink truck opposite Wildflower. that I have, and it comes with a teal chassis. Teal. I think the back wheels are black rims and the front wheels are teal. And it comes with an orange car, because that is what the suspension travel is. Yes, I was right. There was the back wheels were black and the front wheels were teal rims. So right here, as you can see, it's a trophy truck body, but it says the pickup. On the back it says 15 with Hot Wheels right there. As you can see that is orange. And right here, you should be able to see this. This is how the rims are. This right here is one of my favorites out of this case that I got it from. Size number 75 on it with checkers. Right here in the rest of this case is Fiber Alarm, Hissy Fit, Loco Punk, and Necessary Roughness, and Bone Shaker. Now, all that I need for the rest of this case is Loco Punk and Fiber Alarm. Then I'll have every single one for this case because I already have a Bone Shaker. This will wrap up the video. So I will see you guys in the first show. I get to see you guys there. And one more thing, I would like you to share this video, like, comment, subscribe if you are new to the channel. And I will get ready, and I will see you guys in the next. Hey guys, it's me, back again. My mom recently just went to Target and surprised me with some monster trucks. Some more, so I will be reviewing them in this video. And I really like these trucks. So without further ado, let's show this giant poster that can keep me collected. All the trucks I have. So that wraps that up right there. So up first, our first truck is the beautiful Gold Max D. I've wanted this truck for so long. Finally got one. So, forgot my figure, but it is already really good at backflips. I thought he just broke somehow. I just broke the truck. So, up next, it just Torque Terror. Finally got the main version of it, so let's meet the back. The name is Torque Terror. The truck type is a pickup. The strength is transport heavy loads. Crash check. The pile driver. My bad. Motivation, and last but not least, motivation is to push opponents over the edge. I just need 3 more from this case. Let's get this thing open. And it comes with a crushable car too. Get the name. So here is the truck. It has yellow spray paint made up around the rims, and then red dots and yellow rims and black rims for the yellow outlining. So it has Hot Wheels with I think a 50 on the back, 52 on the back. And it says number 52 right there. And here is the car. I'm gonna add it to my car collection right here. So that wraps him up. Let's get Firestarter, which is the next truck. Sadly, it does not say what it's supposed to say. It has none. It doesn't show it for some reason. That's why I kind of upset about how they made this truck. And this truck is based off of a dinosaur. So here is the Firestarter. It is an SUV. I'm gonna give I'm going to give the truck type, and the name is Firestarter. The truck type is a pickup. The strength is fire breathing. Crash attack is to flame the other trucks. And motivation is to burn opponents that try to beat him. So as you can see, it is based off of a dinosaur. There's black rims and wheels, a red suspension, or roll cage, whatever. It says 5-star on the back. That's what the top looks like. So yeah, basically, I'm going to show something else. As you can see, these trucks are destroyed from the show. So guys, I'm about to see you guys in the next one. So bye guys. So what I would like you to do before I say bye actually is like the video, comment, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and subscribe to my channels for more monster truck, for more shows, which sadly I wasn't able to do one, but stay tuned for that. Sorry about that. Stay tuned for more shows on my channel. So I will see you guys then, and peace.